Alright, so I'm done, and let's go to our important section. We are gonna go to the text section again, and we're gonna add another heading, your qualifications. Alright, so I have added the title of my Masters of Computer Science and Technology. Now I'm going to duplicate this, and actually I'm going to duplicate this one. Now this is very important. In this section you have to include your month and the year. When did you join, which year did you join, and when did you end. And duplicate this again, and this is also very important. You have to insert the place name, where did you learn. Now I'm gonna duplicate this description. Now I'm going to duplicate this title and drag it down here. Master is done. Now let's add bachelor. Okay, duplicate the month again. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna add the university name. We have to add few more details in our CV. I'm gonna rearrange again. Okay, so we are gonna add an important detail. I'm gonna duplicate this, and I'm gonna type education. Alright, now I'm gonna duplicate this education word, the text, and I'm gonna remove education to experience. Now in here, same format. I'm just gonna write your job title, the month, and now I'm going to duplicate this. Let's zoom out and check how is it. Alright, I think it's looking good, and I'm just gonna change the color maybe into bright one, I think. Yeah. Alright, so I'm done making my CV, and right now download it. If you want to download it, then you can go to share and just click download. Now they will give some suggested options: PNG, JPEG, PDF, PDF print, and many other more. So for best documents is actually PDF, but I'm just gonna choose PNG. Download. Alright, so that's it in this video. I really hope you like this video, and I hope you have learned something. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please do comment what do you think about this, and let me know what other contents you want me to make for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.